Hi, welcome back to Garfin's Creation. In today's video, we'll be making the super easy chicken mayo rolls. I'll also be sharing some egg options to make this party idea rolls even much better. All the ingredients I mentioned in the description box. So let's start with the recipe. So here I'll just list out all the ingredients. You can also take a screenshot of it. So for this quantity, you can take about 6 to 8 bread rolls, half a cup of mayonnaise. Then we have some mustard sauce, pepper powder, salt, some shredded cabbage, some carrot juliennes, iceberg lettuce, or you can also take some salad leaves, some boiled and shredded chicken, 2 boiled eggs, and some butter. Besides this, you can add more ingredients into this mayo roll, which I'll be sharing in this video ahead. To start with, here I've taken half a cup of mayonnaise. Into it, I'll be adding half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, adding quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce. This is completely optional. Now give it all a good mix. Next into it, we'll be adding the cabbage and the carrot. Instead of juliennes, you can also add grated carrots. 3/4 cup of shredded chicken. I boiled 1 chicken breast with little salt in it and then shredded it. Now give all this a good mix. Into this, you can also add vinegar to give a nice tang. You can also add chopped jalapenos or olives too. To make it spicy, you can add chipotle sauce or chili flakes. Here now I'm adding half a teaspoon of sugar powder. It just adds a little sweetness and more taste to this chicken rolls. Now mix in the sugar as well and give it a nice stir. And with this, our chicken coleslaw is ready. Here I've taken this hot dog breads. These are 6 inches in size. If you take the smaller size of bread, you can easily make around 6 to 8 hot dogs with this recipe. Now after slitting the bread into half, I'll just apply some butter on both the sides. Here I've taken salted butter. In this recipe, you can adjust the salt as we have added salt in the chicken too. The mayo and the mustard sauce too has salt. So after mixing everything, you can just taste and adjust the salt accordingly. After applying some butter on the bread, I'll just arrange some iceberg lettuce on it and then spread the chicken mix over this iceberg lettuce. So this is the first option of just plain chicken mayo roll. If you prefer, you can also cut the iceberg lettuce and add it into the chicken mix instead of layering it separately. You can also skip it all together. So just close both the sides together and our first chicken mayo roll is ready. Now you can just leave it that way or just wrap it in a cling wrap, silver foil or a butter paper. To make the second roll, once again I'll be applying some butter and adding some salad leaves over it and then spreading the chicken mix over it. I'll also be adding a layer of hard-boiled eggs which have been sliced. You can have the chicken mayo roll as a snack or a light meal. You can also add it to your parties, gatherings or carry it for a picnic too. So here is another option. So after boiling 2 eggs, I've just sliced them. Just arrange some slices and our egg chicken mayo roll is ready. So you can add this chicken egg mayo roll in your kids' tiffin too. So now let's make the third roll too. So in the remaining chicken mix, I'll be adding some eggs. So after slicing the boiled egg, I've just chopped off some dices of the remaining egg and added to this. This is another way you can add boiled eggs into the chicken mayo. Now once again, we'll just repeat the whole process again of applying butter and the salad leaves, followed by the chicken and egg mayo spread. If you cannot get these hot dog breads, you can just add this mixture into any sliced breads and you can make those regular sandwiches as well. You can also spread this in your shawarma bread or any flat bread like our chapatis or tortillas too. So this one is ready. Now let's make the last one. Once again, I'll repeat the same process of applying some butter, salad leaf. And we'll spread the egg and chicken mayo over it. And for this time, I'll be adding double egg, that is adding more slices of the egg over it. So with this, our double egg chicken mayo roll is ready. So I hope you like this creamy chicken egg mayo roll recipe and do let me know in the comments how you prepare them. Thanks once again for watching and I'll see you soon again with some more recipes. Till then, take care and bye-bye.